everyone, this is Vicky from the Yellow Bee Cake Company, and today I'm going to show you how to create a super cute unicorn cake topper. Shape 30 grams of white modelling paste into an egg shape, and then you want to take a marble sized piece of the white modelling paste and roll it into a capsule shape. Cut the capsule in half and then roll under your fingertip to reshape. Take 2 pea-sized balls of grey modelling paste and flatten between your fingers into a chunky coin shape. Attach the coins to the rounded end of each of the capsules and then use your fingers to blend the two together by pinching, pressing and rolling the 2 pieces of paste. Trim the legs so they are both the same length and then attach to the sides of the body. Roll 2 sausages from the white modelling paste and create 2 more of the chunky discs from the grey. Attach the 2 together just as we did with the shorter back legs. Use a craft knife to cut a diagonal strip from the back of each leg. Neaten and round off any of the cut edges and then attach to the body of the unicorn. Press the Dresden tool into the top and front of the hooves to create an indent. For the unicorn's hair, we're going to need roughly 6 different shades of pink. I've used Magic Colours Bazooka Pink, Neon Pink and Ruby. Place a small ball of the chosen pink into the palm of your hand and then roll back and forth using the heel of your hand to shape into a taper-ended sausage. Group the larger pieces together by attaching them at one end and gradually work your way down to the smaller pieces. Attach the tail to the back of the model. For the head, I've used 25 grams of white modelling paste and I've rolled it into an oval shape. I've placed the side of my little finger halfway up the ball and gently rocked back and forth to create a slight groove. I'm now removing the top edge of that groove to remove the eyebrow section of the head. Take a ball of grey modelling paste and flatten between your fingers into an oval shape. Place the paste on the lower half of the face and then use your fingers to blend the two together. Push a small ball tool into the top of the muzzle to create 2 indents for the nostrils and then use the Dresden tool to draw a slightly curved line for the mouth. Press a smaller ball tool into the ends of the smile to give the character dimples and then a medium ball tool just above the muzzle on either side of the nostrils to form the eye sockets. Fill the eye sockets with 2 small balls of white modelling paste. Push a small ball tool into the inner corner of each eye and then fill with 2 small balls of black modelling paste. For the eyelashes, roll a small tapered sausage from the black modelling paste in the palm of your hand. Paint a little glue around the top edge of the eye and then remove most of the glue from the paintbrush. You can now use the paintbrush to lift and place the black tapered sausage in position around the eye and then use the brush to fit the paste into position. Roll 2 small balls of white modelling paste into cones and then place in the palm of your hand. Press the bulbous cone tool into the centre of the cone to create the inner ear. Trim the base of each ear, making sure that both are the same length. We don't want one big ear and one small ear. And then attach the top of the head. And now for the important bit, the unicorn's horn. Take a ball of white modelling paste and place in the palm of your hand and roll into a taper-ended sausage. Join the 2 points together and then gently twist the paste until you end up with a spiral horn shape. Trim away the excess paste at the bottom and then attach to the centre of the head. For the fringe, you want to roll some taper-ended sausages using the different pink colours we used for the tail and begin to place them on the head of the unicorn. I always start in the centre around the horn, working from the horn to the ear and then from the horn to the opposite ear. And now it's time to add some sparkle using the Magic Colours Gold Edible Paint. I'm just using a fine paintbrush and painting a layer of the gold over the horn. Once this is dry, I will add a second layer to really amp up the gold colouring. Push a cocktail stick into the body and then attach the head. I've attached it at a slight angle to give the character a slightly nonplussed derpy look. To finish his mane, I'm just adding 3 large strips of the pink modelling paste, 2 medium and then 1 small. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. You can find more of my work on my IGTV channel or on Instagram. Thanks for watching, bye!